Hi there, and welcome to multiplication and divisions topic 2. So let's have a read of the question. How many wheels would 11 motorbikes have? So we have 11 motorbikes, and each motorbike has how many wheels? Each motorbike has 2 wheels each. So we'll write this as 11, and 11 refers to the motorbikes, multiplied by 2, and 2 refers to the wheels per motorbike. Okay, and now we're just going to use our 2 times table or our 11 times table to work out how much this is. So 11 times 1 is 11, 11 times 2 is 22. So how many wheels would 11 motorbikes have altogether? They will have 22 wheels altogether on 11 motorbikes. Okay, you can also use the images to help you calculate these answers as well at the same time. Good luck with these, and we'll follow this up in our next class.